sonra ona biniyorsun. Bu da seni götürüyor.
By the Oslo-based architectural firms Lundhagen and Atelier Oslo, and is easily identifiable by its cantilevered top floor, providing a unique architectural feature that also preserves the sightline between the central station and the Opera House. The library provides access to well-equipped makerspaces, radio studios, events, lectures, meeting rooms, exhibitions, and a huge collection of books, films, music recordings, and other media, all free of charge for everyone. The top floors also offer a magnificent view of the Oslo fjord and the Opera House.